Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how to install and configure Kali Linux on VirtualBox from Oracle. VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software. Okay, so we are going to use this. If any one of you also can use VMware. Alright, so let's start. You click new and then name this as Kali Linux. Okay, it's automatically show you the version and the type of the operating system, and click next. Okay. The memory size 1 GB. Okay, I think this should be enough. You can use this into 2 in case you want to, 2 GB. Okay, click next. Okay, the recommended size of hard disk is 8 gigabit, so 8 GB. I just gonna leave it as default and then create. Okay, hard disk file type is VDI, leave it as default as well. Click next, and here dynamically allocated or a fixed size, let's just set as a dynamically allocated. The file size 8 gig. Let me put this some more. Okay, let's put this as 20 gig. Okay, 20 gig, since I have a lot of free space there, so I'm going to put 20 gig. Create. Okay, now make sure that the network is NAT. Okay, the storage is Kali Linux ADA. Okay, so I'm going to click start. I'm going to install this, so install. English, yes. United States, yes. American English, yes. Host name, we're gonna name this Kali 2000. Okay, Kali, let me see, Kali 2019. Okay, enter this, continue. The domain name, I'm going to put CITP, and then we're gonna name this .com. Okay, enter. Root password. Okay, root password I'm going to put as password. Okay, password. Okay, that way I can remember in all of them. Check this. The password, the root password is password. Continue. Enter again. password. Enter. Okay. Central Standard Time. Use the entire disk. Okay, and this the entire disk. Select the default. Alpha partition disk recommended. Okay, finish partitioning. Do you want to write changes? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this because it may take a while on this. Alright, I'm going to pause this video. Okay, in the next dialog box, they ask you whether you want to install Grab bootloader to the master boot record. Enter yes. Enter bootloader. Choose this one. Hard disk. Installation is complete. Continue. Okay, let me pause this video so you don't have to wait that long.